We live in a world obsessed with noise. The constant hum of notifications. The clamor of opinions. The pressure to always be performing. But that noise is a distraction. It prevents us from hearing the most important voice we possess. The quiet wisdom of our own soul. I used to confuse constant company with true connection. I was running from the silence. Because I feared what I might find when I was finally alone. But solitude is not the absence of others. It is the presence of yourself. It is the time you carve out to become your own sanctuary. The journey into the quiet can be unnerving at first. You have to face the unaddressed fears, the unhealed wounds, and the truths you've been avoiding. This is the crucible of self-discovery. This is where your true boundaries are defined. And your genuine passions are rediscovered. I realized that for years, I had been echoing the desires of others, mistaking their goals for my own roadmap. In the quiet, the noise of external expectations finally began to fade, and a new sound emerged. Clear, steady, and entirely mine. That sound is my inner voice. It is the compass that guides me, with a certainty no external approval ever could. The greatest betrayal in life is the decision to silence your own voice, just to make others feel more comfortable. I am learning to trust that whisper, even when the world demands a shout. True conviction doesn't need to be loud. My peace is now non-negotiable. I protect my solitude fiercely, because it is the wellspring of my creativity and my strength. I now choose quality over quantity. Quality conversations. Quality silence. Quality time spent pursuing what truly nourishes my spirit. If you feel lost, don't look outward for a map. Sit down. Silence the world. The map is already drawn inside you. The answers are never in the rush. They are in the deep, unhurried breath you take, when you finally allow yourself to just be. I have found my anchor. And that anchor is within. I am whole, independent, and secure in my own company. The most powerful affirmation you can speak is, I trust the sound of my own voice, and I will follow its guidance. Embrace the quiet. Embrace the solitude. This is where your power resides.